Welcome to episode 3 of our CapCut video editing tutorial for beginners. And in this module, I'll be showing how to create an overlay right in CapCut. So an overlay is simply inserting a file on top of another file. I'm going to drag in my video here, or click the plus sign to insert it into my timeline, which I've done right here. So next up, I'm going to bring in this video right here. So what I'm going to do is to click the layer I just inserted, or the overlay I just created, right? And then I'm going to come to where I have scale, right? So I'm going to resize it. Okay, now this is very useful if you want to create probably these reaction style videos. Once you've inserted your video, drag it into your timeline, you're going to come to your video. Okay, ensure you're on your video tab right here, then come to remove background. Now right here, you're going to come to where you have chroma key. You're going to check this, and then you click the green background on the video, right? So as you can see right here, the green background has been taken off, so you can resize it to any part of this video like this. So if we play, let's play it once again. As you can see right here, you have successfully added this subscribe button on your videos. So CapCut has a ton of really beautiful, amazing stickers right here. All you need to do is to come to click the sticker tab, and you're going to see a lot of stickers that you can add to your video. Some are pro and some are free. Okay, so and then you have a lot of options to choose from: the Mother's Day category, the classic, trending category, and all that. So you can just feel free to check out these stickers. So let's say I want to insert this. Let's go back to trending. I think I saw that. Okay, so okay, let's say I want to add this arrow here pointing to a part, to a point in the video. So all I need to do is just to drag it and bring it in here to right, and then I can rotate it to any particular point on the video, right? I can also extend it to any part, to any length I want to. Okay, so this is how you can add overlays to your project in CapCut. It works for videos, it works for stickers, it works for images, anything you want to do on the CapCut. So this is very useful if you want to create reaction style videos, right? Just like I showed you earlier, you can use this for your reaction style videos, and it's going to be really helpful. So if you've not seen the episodes 1 and 2 of my CapCut video editing series, I'm going to leave a link to the entire playlist in the comment section. It's going to be the pinned comment in the comment section. So go ahead and watch the other videos in my CapCut video editing series. So thanks for watching, and see you in module 4.